Hey there, today we'll look at a tool that can help you trade crypto without stress. It's called Cryptohopper. Let's see what it can do. Cryptohopper is an automated crypto trading bot that makes trading easier and less stressful. Launched in 2017, it's now one of the most popular bots around. It works with 18 major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase, acting as a smart assistant for your trades. Cryptohopper's all about automated trading. Just set your strategy, tweak a few settings, and the bot takes over, running trades 24/7 without the stress or emotion. It's super beginner-friendly with ready-made strategies, but if you're more advanced, you can customize everything with over 130 indicators. They've also got a learning hub called Cryptohopper Academy with free lessons and guides if you want to level up. And if you don't feel like building a strategy from scratch, there's a marketplace where you can grab pre-made ones from pro traders. Oh, and it connects with all the big exchanges: Binance, Kraken, Coinbase Pro, so setting it up is pretty smooth. Cryptohopper's got some downsides too. Paid plans start at $29 a month, which might be a bit much if you're just dabbling. Those pre-built strategies are super convenient, but if the market flips, they don't always keep up. And yeah, that can hurt. Support is only through chat or tickets, so don't expect a quick phone call if something urgent comes up. The platform's user-friendly, but there's still a bit of a learning curve if you want to really dig into all the features. And like any trading bot, it's not magic. You're still at the mercy of the market. Strategies can help, but they're not foolproof. Cryptohopper uses simple if this then that logic. For example, if Bitcoin drops by 5%, the bot can buy. If it jumps 10%, it can sell. No panic, no emotions, just automatic trading. You can choose ready-made strategies from the marketplace, build your own with a drag-and-drop tool, or tweak every detail. There's also a paper trading mode to test your ideas without risking real money. Other smart tools include trailing stop loss to protect profits, and short-selling features for falling markets. Cryptohopper's got 4 subscription plans, so you can pick whatever fits your trading style. The Pioneer plan is totally free, no payment info needed. It's a nice starting point with paper trading, basic portfolio tools, and the mobile app. But yeah, there are limits on trades and features. Next up is the Explorer plan at $29 a month. You get up to 20 open trades and full access to strategies and templates. Perfect if you're getting more serious about trading. The Adventurer plan runs $69 a month, bumps you up to 200 trades, and adds advanced stuff like arbitrage. Great if you're trading actively and want more tools to work with. And for the heavy hitters, there's the Hero plan at $129 a month. Up to 500 trades, the fastest speeds, and access to market-making bots. Definitely built for pro-level users. You can also save up to $58 a year if you go with annual billing. The free plan's great to test things out, but if you're serious about trading, the paid plans are where it's at. Yep, Cryptohopper's actually great for beginners. The interface is clean, easy to use, and it walks you through everything step by step. They've got this thing called Cryptohopper Academy, which has quick videos and guides, super helpful whether you're just starting out or want to dive into more advanced stuff. No coding needed either. There's a drag and drop tool that lets you build and tweak strategies without touching a single line of code. Sure, some of the more advanced features might take a bit to figure out, but overall, it's a solid option if you're new to crypto trading. Cryptohopper takes security pretty seriously. It connects to your exchange through secure APIs, so your crypto stays on the exchange, not on the platform itself. That said, it's not all perfect. Some users have mentioned issues like unpaid affiliate earnings, and a few say the marketplace templates didn't work as expected, which definitely raises some trust questions. So, while your trades are generally safe, it's a good idea to keep an eye out and do your own research before diving in too deep. That's a wrap on Cryptohopper. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.